Interesting situation here on the oil market. Watch the video until the end because I'm going to show you if there are trading opportunities on this interesting market. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to analyze the oil market to see if there are trading opportunities for the next days. This is going to be a very important week because on Wednesday we are going to have interest rate decision by Fed. And I'm here on the daily chart of WTI. Price action is pretty clear because we are in a very strong bearish impulse. The price is just below the 200 EMA, and now it's just rebounded on its very strong price structure around 81.20. We got a nice rebound, and if we look at our left, we can see that price is retesting this price structure around 85. So what we may expect in the next days, well, possibilities as usual in trading are three. I think that the majority of the traders are gonna wait for the Fed decision, but let me open the plan. In case buyers take control and are able to push the price higher, it would be interesting to see the price approaching the 200 EMA. Or if sellers are strong enough, we may see the price again approaching and retesting the 80 level. If market waits for the Fed decision, we may have a ranging market between 85 and 89.90. So if you have pretty good ranging strategies, I think this is the perfect land to use them. This is, of course, this is not trading advice. This is just my analysis. I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna follow it in the next days. I am a day trader, so I will take my decision. It's a total personal call. If you're a newbie, just follow the action and see what will happen. So for today is everything. See you soon. Bye bye.